Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you download Starlink app to computer. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. There is no official Starlink desktop application released by SpaceX for Windows, Mac OS or Linux. The official Starlink app is only available for mobile devices like iPhone, iPad and Android phones or tablets from the App Store or Google Play Store. So, what are the options that you can access or manage Starlink on a computer? Please simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in starlink.com. Then once you're inside here, you can manage and check aspects of Starlink service by simply logging into your account on the Starlink website from a computer browser. Then some community users also mention accessing the internal Starlink router interface via a local address after connecting to your Starlink Wi-Fi. You can also run the mobile Starlink app inside an Android emulator on your computer by simply heading over to your browser and on the search bar typing in BlueStacks and then tapping on the first link that is shown to you and simply download the BlueStacks emulator. And here we can simply open up the emulator and sign in with your Google account and search for Starlink in the emulator's Play Store. Install the app inside the emulator and open it like on a phone. This works because the emulator makes your computer behave like an Android device, and this is not an official Starlink software for desktop. It's just running the mobile app in a phone-like environment. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.